pouring out this top threshold section that is the very top of the system, and then all the way along the outside perimeter. We're adding a product that's called Bondcrete, Portland cement and sand on top to create the mix, to make it more manageable to pour into the forms. So we're just trying to get a thin coat of this specially mixed concrete. We're just spreading this first batch around to all our forms so we get good coverage. We just continue this agitation throughout all the forms. Once the form's completely filled with concrete, we give it a light tap with our hammer to help get the air bubbles out and help it have a nice clean finish. With this lower form all full of concrete and smoothed off, we move on to the wall to the left. We just keep adding our tubs of concrete to build up the height of this formwork. Once we've got all the concrete to the top of this form, we smooth it out with our trowel and move on to the next phase. This is the last one we have to get filled.
Lay your head upon my shoulder, shut off your thoughts and clear your mind.